Ready to spice up your website? Here are 5 CSS tricks in just 6 minutes. Smooth scroll effect. Smooth scrolling. Say goodbye to clunky jumps with scroll behavior. Display text with a gradient effect. We will have a div with the class gradient text. Inside the div, there is an H1 element. We apply linear gradient background to the div using the background property. We use the background clip property with the value text to clip the background to the text content. We set the text fill color property to transparent to make the text transparent, allowing the gradient background to show through. Hover animation, bring your buttons to life. We have already created the button. Now let's add some cool but simple hover animation. Let's add some transition to make this hover effect smooth. Image overlay. Image overlays elevate your visuals with style. The concept of image overlay involves placing one image on top of another and controlling the visibility of the top image to create various visual effects. You can play around with transitions to suit your website. Responsive typography. The concept behind responsive typography is that the text looks perfect in the small screen, because I gave font size according to mobile screen size, but when I increase the size to tablet or laptop, the text looks small. For that, we use media queries to increase the size of text according to large screen. Up next, CSS grids. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Happy coding!